So, if you want to send a broadcast message to a certain group of users, go to Contacts and click on Filter and choose a tag and an attribute. Click on Apply and you'll get the details of all those users who come under those tags and attributes. Now you select all the contacts and click on Broadcasts, which leads you to a page to create a campaign. Enter the name of the new campaign, select a pre-approved template. It is recommended to choose a template which has click tracking enabled. It's easy to identify. There's a click tracking icon right next to those templates which have it enabled. Enter the parameters and attributes to configure the message to your preference. You can also schedule the message by enabling the schedule date and time option. Additionally, you can exclude opted out data, which means that you can set up certain keywords for your users in case they have clicked on not interested or stop in any of your campaigns. They are automatically opted out and you can exclude these users' data from the broadcast. You are given an option to run a test campaign, which is often necessary. By just entering your name and phone number and clicking on test, you can send a test message. If the message is as per your expectations, you can click on send now. Once you have clicked on send now, the message will actually become a campaign. You can move to the campaign section and view your campaigns under 4 different categories, namely all, broadcast, API and scheduled. If you click on any of the campaigns, you will be able to see a very detailed analytics of the campaigns. You can view how much you spent on the campaigns, the campaign performance, the click rate, the failure rate, etc. Not only are you able to see the delivery rate and the rate of reading of the messages, but you can also see your audience and you can categorize them and rebroadcast the campaign. You can now categorize your audience based on who has read your message and who hasn't. To retarget them, select all of the contacts which come under unread and broadcast the campaign again. WhatsApp allows you to broadcast the same type of template message for the next 24 hours without any cost, so it's advisable to optimize its use.